What's going on, guys? My name is Anthony Alvarez. I want to learn more about Python, and I want to take you along for the ride. A little bit about myself. I'm a web developer, and I'm also aspiring to be a cybersecurity analyst. I was in web development for about 2 years before I started learning for my CompTIA Security Plus, which I just passed recently. Python is a big part of cybersecurity. Python is also used in web development and other things like data science and other parts of software and engineering. Python is a very easy language to learn, easy language to read, which is good for beginners and also good for advanced users. What I'm going to be doing is starting over from the beginning, teaching Python and learning Python from the basics up to advanced. So I want to take you along with me. I want to show you what I know and what I learn, I want to pass on to you guys. So if you follow me, you subscribe, let's learn Python together, because I feel like learning Python with a group and with others and learning any language together makes it a little bit easier and gives you a sense of community. This is my first video, just an introductory video. After this, I'm probably going to be posting a video maybe once a week. That's what I'm going to be aiming for, and I'm going to include things like projects that I'm doing and also source code of anything that I do is going to be on my GitHub, which I will post in the link below. Thank you, and I hope you keep watching.